In this video, we are going to differentiate this problem. Y is equal to square root 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Here dy by dx is equal to here d upon dx, and radical we can write into exponent form. So 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, because here square root. We know that this differentiation rule d upon dx x to the power n, so n x to the power n minus 1. Now 1 upon 2, and this 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1. Now again differentiate this bracket portion. It means we are using here chain rule. 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. 1 upon 2, 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, and here we apply quotient rule. So denominator here 1 minus sin x, it's a square, write denominator as it is, and differentiate numerator 1 plus sin x minus, write numerator as it is, differentiate denominator 1 minus sin x. 1 upon 2. Here negative power, so we can convert into positive, and here this fraction reciprocal. So 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. And here 1 minus sin x whole square. I think we should write whole thing in the bracket. 1 minus sin x, and when we differentiate this one, so this is constant and it will 0, and when we differentiate sin x, so it will be cos x minus 1 plus sin x, and 1 when we differentiate we get 0, and minus sin x we can differentiate, so this is minus cos x. Here 1 upon 2, and we can write here 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, 1 plus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, and here 1 minus sin x whole square, and we can simplify this numerator, so cos x multiply with 1 cos x, cos x multiply with minus sin x, so minus sin x cos x. This minus and this minus, it will be plus, and this multiply, so means cos x multiply with 1 plus cos x, because minus minus was plus, so here all thing is positive. Now here this one multiply with this, so sin x cos x, and this is negative, this is positive, so cancel. 1 upon 2, here 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, 1 plus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, and here this cos x and this cos x makes 2 cos x, 1 minus sin x to the power 2. This 2 cancelled by this 2, and 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x, same thing, base are same. And here 1 upon 2 power, so if goes down here, so this will be minus 1 upon 2 power, right? So we can write here this cos x in the numerator, 1 plus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, and this is 1 minus sin x to the power, this 2 minus 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2, 2 minus half is 1.5, so cos x 1 plus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, and here 3 upon 2, it means 1 plus 1 upon 2, right? So 1 upon 2 power we can write here, because this is 1 upon 2. So 1 minus sin x to the power 1 upon 2, and 1 minus sin x to the power 1. And 1 we don't write, cos x. And can you see here, this is power same, so we can multiply base. So 1 minus sin x multiply 1. Actually this is plus, this is minus, and this whole thing to the power 1 upon 2, 1 minus sin x. And when we multiply base, so here 1 minus sin square x to the power 1 upon 2, 1 minus sin x. Now cos x, and 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. So cos square x to the power 1 upon 2, and this is 1 minus sin x. Here this is cos x divided by, and cos square x to the power 1 upon 2, so square and 1 upon 2 cancel, just cos x, and this is 1 minus sin x. Here cos x cancel, so we got 1 upon 1 minus sin x. This is the answer, but sometimes answer give in another form, so we can convert, and for that we should multiply by 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. We can multiply and divide by 1 plus sin x. So in numerator, 1 multiply 1 plus sin x is 1 plus sin x, and here denominator when we multiply, so we get 1 minus sin square x, and we know that 1 minus sin square x is cos square x, right? And 1 upon here cos square x plus sine upon sin x upon cos square x. So this is sec square x, and here actually we can write like this. And this is also we can convert into sec x and tan x. So this 1 upon cos x is sec x, and this is tan x. If you want to take common sec x, it's good. So this is sec x plus tan x, and this is also answer. So you can give answer in this form or this form. Okay, both are correct. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.